Hi there. The purpose of this video is really to just give you a bit of an overview of WHIR by Nutava. Nutava is a software development company based in Perth, Western Australia, and our origins have been in developing custom or bespoke software applications for our clients. Through that process, we've built some products for specific industries and people, and WHIR is one of those. WHIR's origins have come from building a data management and reporting tool specifically for women's health organizations, but has since expanded into more community health organizations as well, because the data management reporting requirements tend to have some similarities. This video, we're going to just talk about a few of the features of WHIR, showing you a few screen grabs, and just to get you a bit of a feel of what it looks like and some of the features that it has. So first of all, we'll look at clients. The clients are the most basic and fundamental bit of data that we have in WHIR. We use client files to track all the information about a client in terms of their personal information, demographic information, and so forth. But most importantly, how we interact with the client, whether it's particular sessions and services or interactions. All this data obviously comes together, and then we can report over that. What you see here is a detailed view of a particular client record. You can see the various tabs that allow us to capture all sorts of information, including being able to link to other client records, attaching documents and files associated with this client, and even some SMS functionality down here as well, where we can have some ad hoc communications with them. In terms of managing our time in relation to clients, but also ad hoc time logs, we've got an integrated calendar. So what you can see here is a calendar for a specific user that's logged in, and you can see they can create sessions, interactions, even private appointments, blocking out time, meetings, and other types of time logs. Once they've entered that information into their own calendar, the information that they've entered then appears on the center calendar for the rest of the organizations and other employees to see, so that time can be managed by front desk or as a group in a collaborative kind of way. You can see at the top here, we've also got functionality to be able to send appointment reminders and confirmations. And as clients reply back with SMSs, that will automatically update appointment statuses and so forth to help make sure we're getting the best use of our time in terms of future appointments and so forth. Talking about SMS, since we rolled out that functionality, it's become quite a useful tool for providing ad hoc communications with clients in need. So for counselors and specific users, we can log in, they'll log in and they can see their specific assigned clients and the messages back and forth from them, and they can send messages directly to them and receive them without exposing their own personal contact details. And all these messages are kept a really tight record of in the client file and can be reviewed at any particular time. Outside of clients, the other two main types of data that we capture are workshops and community events. Workshops, they are really an internal event to the organization. What you can see here is a detailed view of that, and you can see how we can manage participants, the employees that are involved with that, and any time logs that we have in regarding to that particular workshop. Community events are very similar, just that they're external to the organization, some sort of local event where we might have staff that are attending or doing some planning time around it, and we need to record the number of people we're interacting with, but also the time logs associated with planning and attendance. Once we enter all this data in for our clients, our workshops, our community events, and so forth, we can then start drilling down into that information through our reporting. Out of the box, there's a whole pile of standard reports. What you can see here is our counselling report that allows you to break down all the appointments and so forth of our counsellors, broken down by demographics, age, gender, even postcode. You can also do the same sort of reporting for workshops and community events. But then when it comes to our government reporting and funding requirements, we have reports that are very much catered to facilitate that process. As you can see here, a very comprehensive report that splits up all the information very relevant to reporting requirements. Outside of these standard reports, you also have the capability to build your own reports very easily within the application if you have a particular reporting need in mind. So that gives you a bit of an overview of WHIR. And we like to learn more about your needs and happy to hear feedback on the application. You can contact our team via our website, whir.com.au, or contact our sales team who can give you more information. Over and above that, once you start to use WHIR, you can then engage with our online portal and knowledge base, which has a whole host of information about the concepts and features of WHIR. Yeah, we look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you found this video useful and interesting.